Beautifully. Let's set these two first, then we'll do the sacrum. Drop the right ear down. Down. There you go. Oh! Oh! Look up. Oh, bus. Come over here. Palms face up. This is T7, the sugar button. Oh! There you go. There it is. Butter. Oh! Home run.
Top of mine. And interlock your fingers and give me a good squeeze. Now stand up tall. Now breathe in, head down, and fall back.
There we go. Now I'm adjusting his lower thoracic. Exhale. There you go. Okay, I still got one here. Yeah, relax it. That's it. Okay. Okay. Okay, now his legs are exactly even. And Jonathan, tell me if this causes any tightness or pain in your lower back. No. Okay, great. So I'm going to pop your head. Good. Okay, you can relax your hands on your tummy for a second, Jonathan. I want you to just relax your knee and my hand here. There you go. You should have felt that in your knee and your back. Did you?
Yep.
Okay. Same thing here. There we go. Good. Okay. Now let's come over here and set up, face towards Joseph there. There we go. That's it. Your bones fully ossify or fully calcify around the age 17 to 18. So he's got about 3 years left of bone growing, at which time we want to realign his structure so that they grow properly without having that scoliosis in there by lining his pelvis up. Good, okay. There we go.
They signed off too early.
Mm-hmm. Nice deep breath in. Okay, now exhale. And you're just going to feel me putting some traction in there. Do you feel that? Mm-hmm. How far down do you feel that? Okay, keep breathing. Mm-hmm. See, I'm just putting traction in there. I'm not actually delivering the thrust. Exhale. There we go, good. Now, could you tell how far down you felt that one? How far?
Lower back.
To your lower back? Okay, good. There we go. And see there, he is still kicking. Very good. Okay. Just relax your head in my hands here. Okay, we got most of these already. I'm just checking this. There's one more. Okay. Your chin, keep your teeth together. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. You should have felt that all the way down.
Yeah.
That's why we call it ring dinger. Okay, and just let me have your neck completely. Boy, oh boy. You're going to feel like a new man this afternoon. All the way up to L1. Okay, just keep breathing for me there, Gary. That's it. Okay, just keep exhaling. Mm-hmm. There. I still got one more here. I can feel it. There it is. Okay.
Defense is playing a little bit better than people expected them to. And I'm thinking that they may be able to wear down Green Bay with that running game.
Well, that's interesting. So you're picking the Cowboys.
I'm not picking the Cowboys. I'm just saying how I think it's going to go.
Oh, okay.
I mean,
let's put terms out like this.
yeah.
Well, I don't want to sleep on the couch, so I'm going to Pittsburgh. My wife's a Steelers fan, so.
Well, I'm picking the Packers and the Patriots to go to the Super Bowl. There we go.
Focus on that segment. Good. Good. Just gonna feel right there. Good. Great. Good. Very good. And here. Move the shoulders back. Good. Very good. Wow, that was loud. Let's go on the other side. Bring this leg up here. Very good. Same thing here. Good. So I'm going to palpate her lumbars here. It seems like left. And then around her L5 area. Let's see if we can get this adjusted here. Good. Very good. Excellent.
Okay, so if you let your tummy muscles relax a little bit.
Beautiful, nice and tight as expected after that class.
Yeah.
Breathe in again and out. Chest relaxed. Chest relaxed here, right there.
Oh, good one.
Hips relax. Head stays right there. Drop the hips.
Oh. Wow. That was a big one.
Yeah, there's a big lumbar spine right there. Beautiful alignment. Look at that smile. Let's lay on our back here. Studying and throwing punches. Studying and throwing punches. Breathe in. All the way out. Head relaxed. And out. Drop the head. Beautiful.
Yay.
Well needed.
Yes.
Right.
Okay, let's have you go ahead and lay on your tummy here. Now this is her first adjustment here. Her husband Danny. There. And then her right SI joint. And her head bent forward. Lower thoracics here. Mid thoracics. I better shut up, the crack addicts will be getting all over me. So Danny, are you a crack addict?
Oh, crap.
Pressing your shoulders now, your clavicles, and your anterior ribs, right where the sternum and the ribs meet. Good, okay. Now just relax your hands on your tummy.
Okay.
And let me have your leg. There you go. Now you should have felt that in your knee all the way up to your pelvis. Did you?
I felt it in my pelvis for sure.
Good. Yep, that one too.
Nice.
Yep. Keep your teeth together. Don't clench them. Just keep them together. Breathe through your nose. Oh yeah. Hold on.
Golly, that was awesome.
That's a prize, right?
Oh, that was amazing.
Hey there, still kicking your
That's the
butt.
winner right there.
That ring dinger win chicken dinner.
Winner.
There we
Oh.
go. Good job.
That's good. That's awesome.
A little more power for this adjustment. Let me see what I've got here.
I got a strong bag.
Oh, what do you know? Good Lord, Jess.
Neck, okay? Keep it nice and simple. Okay, okay. Your face hurt? Or your shoulder?
My neck.
Your neck? Good. Okay. You feel your jaw? Yeah. Okay. Tell the camera, what's your first impression with that adjustment? Pain, no pain, weird?
Pain like hell.
No, that hurts, kiddo. Good girl, just like that, okay? Nice and relax. Good. Good. What'd you feel there?
Like some pain, man.